if you are currently mining Sealsend project, there's an update on it. If you look at the top here of the screen, you can see online plus is now live. Join now, set your wallet and get ready for distribution. So which means the TG about to happen. And if you go to their X account, there's a latest update on it. Let's go and check it. So here you can see they said make sure you have the online plus app installed and your ION wallet address ready. You need your wallet address for the distribution phase. Once the snapshot is completed, stay prepared, right? And if you check at 14 hours here, they said during the final checks we identified that additional change were needed to ensure the next phase implemented correctly and secure. Because of this, we have decided to postpone the release to January. So which means January the TG can be happen. So we need to download the ION as I read here. So this is the ION application. You need to install and register on it so that you can get your wallet ready for the distribution. So now they said we should download. We make sure we have the online plus app installed on our device so that we can get our wallet ready. So now let's go to download the app and register so that we can get our wallet prepared. So if you come to Google Play Store and you search for online plus, you can see it. So after that, we open it. So here you can see login. So here you tap on register. So here you can see enter your identity key name, so which is like your username or anything, and you can use any name. So after type your identity key name, then you proceed to tap continue. You can see verify with passkey. So here let me verify. So here it requires to enter your name, nickname, who invited you. For the invited name, you just enter the brain tech as it is my name. So that is the name you enter. So you enter the brain tech here. So it will be in the description or the comment section of this video. So after that, we proceed to tap save. Boom, here is our dashboard. So you can see so many posts here. You can see so many people have been posted here. You can see people are posting. You can also post. So after you have read your dashboard, the next thing you need to do about the Sealsend, we are still on the Sealsend, that's why we are doing this video. So we come to the wallet section here. So here you can see so many blockchain. All those coins are here are blockchain. You can see the ION and the BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other those things. But you can add them by adding managed coin. So these are other coins you can also add to it. The most important thing you need to do here, what you need to do is to back up your seed phrase, back up all those things, set Google Authenticator and other those things. So if you want to do any transaction, they will ask you to do. If you tap receive, it will ask me. I have done mine, that's why it is having pop-up. So that's how it is. So for the Sealsend wallet submission, if they said in their post that if the snapshot begin, the mining will end. So after that, we will come and copy our wallet and submit. So here I hope the ION is the wallet address, or is the coin. That address we will use is the coin. That coin address we use. We will tap on ICE open network. This is the old one, because if you tap on it, they will ask you to copy. Let's say tap on receive. Okay, they will choose network, the ICE open network, the ION or the I when on the BSC, right? So whether it's the ION or the BSC. So you can see ION here and the BSC here. So guys, this is how it is. You can come here also. You can post here. You can post. Here is my post, and make sure you follow me. If you follow me, I also follow you back. You see so many people here. So you can see my logo here.
and so many people. So that is how, guys, it is. So you find this video here, for consider to subscribe to this channel. Check the link in the description section or the comment section of this video and join our Telegram channel for further updates. See you guys in my next video.